Okay, so hi everyone and welcome back to the Fentech HTML class. So in our last video, you noticed that there was something wrong with our code, and if you notice, HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. Came to the side of where the our picture and href attribute was. So I'm very glad that someone brought it to my notice. I think two or three people, yeah, three people brought it to my notice. I did it on purpose so that I could get reviews, like for people to look at it intensely and know what is wrong. So the problem to fix that is by adding the closing tag of this. So if we save and review, you notice that it has gone back to where it's meant to be. Now we can actually switch this image and make it come over here and make this link come here. The only way to do that is just by swapping this image with this ahref attribute. So that's going to make it more presentable. So you can actually do that. So now for today we're going to move into the HTML display. Now you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screen and resized windows will create different results. So with HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra space and lines when the page is displayed. So let's move over to the HTML horizontal rules. So the HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal row. So the HR element is used to separate content or define a change in a HTML page. So let's try something like this. After the H1, let's enter, let's put um HR here, and over to the next one. Let's have a H2 attribute, and let's put let's say it's HTML and we can have another P element. Oh, sorry. Yep. HTML. And we can have another P element, and we can put let's say I love coding here, and after that we have the HR again. Yeah, so let's save and see if there'll be any changes on our web page. So if you notice, this is it. Everything that was inside the HR elements came under here. So note that the HR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no end tag. That is, if you notice, I didn't add this closing tag that I added, so it doesn't have an end tag. So instead, for it to end it, you might just probably just use this to end it. So let's move to solution to the HTML pre-element. Now the HTML pre-element defines pre-formatted text. The text inside a pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font, usually Korea, and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. For example, Let's enter, and we'll have free here, and then enter, and then we have let's say Fentech is a tech brand here, and let's close it. Okay, it's already closed, so let's save and view. So this is called a pre-element, and if you notice, the font of pre-elements is called Courier, Courier. So that will be all for this class. Yeah, some people might ask, why is this body still showing red? That's because we haven't closed the image in the body, but like we said, the img doesn't have a closing tag, so that's why it's going to show red, but that doesn't mean it's still okay. But please, next time, like I said, I did that on purpose, but not adding the p tag element, that's closing tag. But next time, please make sure that you look at it and you're always focused. Thank you to the people that corrected it, or yeah, told me what was wrong with the code. And like I said, if you want to change this, like this picture to come here and the link come here, you can as well just do that by swapping the img and the href dash, bring this down here and bring this up here. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So in our next video, we're going to be talking about HTML formatting elements. Bye.